Hey, this is Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to lesson 8 of your Facebook Ads Mastery course. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at Facebook Blueprint certification. So let's get started. So Facebook Blueprint certification is a premium certification program and it is done in partnership with this company called Pearson VUE. So Facebook certification program is a paid certification program, not like Google AdWords, and the terms and conditions and the rules are much more stricter for this particular certification. So there are three major exams in this Facebook certification program and each exam costs $75. It is conducted by Pearson VUE, and when you are doing the exam, your audio and video will be recorded and there is also a person who is monitoring it from the other end. So it becomes very difficult to get the certification if you are not really doing it in the right way. So you get a badge to display it on your profiles, and the validity of this badge is only 12 months. So Facebook Blueprint certification will be useful if you are running an agency or if you are doing consulting for a lot of clients, and if you want to prove your mettle or if you want to prove your expertise in Facebook ads, I would recommend you that you go ahead and get this certification done. But otherwise it's not that important because obviously it costs a lot of money, more than most of the Facebook courses in itself, but it depends on whether it is really required. So also in the market, do people really recognize this certification and do people really know about this certification? I would say not so much. So if you have a client who wants some help in running Facebook ads from you, then if he doesn't even know about this particular certification program, then it is not worth getting this certificate in the first place. So this is how it looks. Once you can just go ahead and log in into the system, and you can see that the price is $75 or 5,200 approx, paid with a credit card in Indian money. So this is that this is their terms and conditions and this is their policy. So what they say that while you are attending the exam, your audio and video will be recorded through the webcam, and if they detect that if there is anyone else present in your physical location, if they overhear someone else in the physical location, if there is any noise or any kind of disturbance, they will immediately terminate your exam and certification process, and you will not even receive a refund for the entire exam. So they are very strict about this exam, and it depends on you better go ahead and get a very good internet connection and a silent room if you are attending this exam. So these are the three major exams that are available in this Facebook Blueprint certification. You have Facebook Advertising Core Competencies, Facebook Certified Planning Professional, and Facebook Certified Buying Professional. So for each of these exams there is a practice exam as well, and it is for a duration of 30 minutes, and the exam questions are similar to your actual exam. So I recommend that you go ahead and do the practice exam several times before you go ahead and do the actual exam. So URLs to note, these URLs you can note facebook.com/blueprint, and then you have free resources from a learning management system. So you can also go ahead and learn some of these concepts from this URL. So let's just go and have a look at facebook.com/blueprint. So here I am at the Facebook Blueprint website, facebook.com/blueprint, and here you can see there are multiple categories. So first is e-learning, where you can go ahead and learn some courses from them. So these are free courses and it gives you some basic introduction about Facebook and other things like that. So you go ahead and enroll and then you can learn something from it. So let me click on enroll now. So this duration is 15 minutes, and let me go ahead and launch it. So here you have different lessons and each lesson is around 1 to 2 minutes. Let me go ahead and click on introduction. So you get mostly text lessons and ask me to agree to some terms. And then you have a lot of information, text-based information about, budgeting, scheduling, advertising, creating different target audiences and things like that, which you can obviously learn by yourself and By now, whatever you have learned from my video course, I think it has covered more than what Facebook offers. So let's go back, close this window. Then you can check my courses. So what are the courses that I have enrolled in? Then you can go ahead and click on course history. So it says you have not completed any activities. You can go ahead and schedule exams if you want. So you will be redirected to Pearson VUE website. So here you can see there are 3 different exams. So let's say Facebook advertising core competencies. And this is the terms and conditions that I told you about. Very strict terms and conditions. Just check on everything, click on next. And now you can see that the cost is $75, and you can go ahead and schedule this exam if you want to take this exam. So that's how the entire process works, and that's it for this video, relatively a short video. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.